dear friends, I am Harsha Guntala. Belzo TV and Harsha Guntala presents Blue Suit. It's very simple once the case is solved. But prior to that, you have to follow my narration, how I solved the mystery. First thing, murder. Whose murder? Lady. Who could be the killer? Somebody from known circle? Business? Or for looting money? I started practically, that. First of all, I asked Raju, husband of that victim lady Shalini. What Only 3 questions. Just 3 questions. Where you were, when you reached home, when you reported the police station. But Raju was a smart guy. He said, I was in the hotel for dinner party in blue suit. But surprising thing, 3 persons in blue suit in the same hotel. Can you imagine? 3 persons at a time in the same hotel in blue suit. Hotel waiter showed me the bill and menu. I found that an American had something like soup and fried chicken. Can't be Raju. Chinese fellow. A young man, tall 6 feet. A girlfriend hand in hand. He can't be Raju. Yes, he can't be Raju because Raju was hiding where he was. He was a liar. I checked his blue suit. I checked his blue suit. Found a petrol receipt. That was his first mistake. First mistake. The tiny mistake. Interesting. Exactly at 10:30. Exactly at 10:30. Raju filled petrol in his car. Raju was at no other place but murder place. checked with petrol people. They said, we don't remember, so many people come here and go. Naturally, and I had to accept what they said. It was very easy. Raju was at petrol pump. From petrol pump, he returned back to his home. He thought, nobody knows him, he can do anything, whatever he likes. But we are there. At the same turning lane. At the same turning lane, one blind acting beggar, he saw him and he told me that he saw a person in blue suit. Yes, in blue suit he saw a tall person with heavy bag. But he can't be Raju. Yes, he can't be Raju. Blind acting beggar. Whatever said, I remembered. Then Raju went away to some other hotel, returned back in the morning. But the case was very clear. Petrol receipt, blue suit, blind acting beggar. Raju was no other place but at the murder place, and that is at home. Each and every person, each and every person commits just a tiny mistake. Just a tiny mistake. And same tiny mistake becomes titanic blunder. And this titanic blunder only takes us to a targeted toy.